Does restoring my iPhone from a backup bring back old text messages?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be tackling an important question that a lot of iPhone users have. Does restoring my iPhone from a backup bring back old text messages? It's a common situation, isn't it? You've restored your iPhone and you're eager to know if your treasured conversations have made it through the process. Let's dive in and explore this topic.
What does an iPhone backup include?
When you back up your iPhone, either via iCloud or iTunes, it essentially makes a copy of your device's data. The critical point to understand is that this backup includes almost all of your data and settings. Yes, your text messages, including SMS, MMS, and iMessages, are part of the data that's backed up. Other data includes your device settings, app data, ringtones, health data, and more. Your purchased music, movies, books, and apps from Apple services are not directly backed up because they can be re-downloaded from their respective stores.
What happens when I restore from a backup?
Now that we know what a backup includes, let's explore what it means to restore this backup on your iPhone. When you restore your iPhone from a backup, you're essentially wiping your device clean and replacing its data and settings with the data and settings from the backup. Since we know that text messages are included in the backup, it means that yes, restoring from a backup should bring back your old text messages. However, there is a crucial caveat. The backup needs to be made before the deletion of these text messages. If the messages were deleted before the backup was created, unfortunately, they won't be restored.
Can I choose what to restore?
When restoring an iPhone from a backup, you cannot choose to restore only specific data, like just text messages. It's essentially an all-or-nothing process. This means that all data and settings from the backup will be restored on your device, and the current data on your phone will be replaced. So, there you have it. The answer to, does restoring my iPhone from a backup bring back old text messages? Is a resounding yes, provided those messages were part of the backup in the first place. If you're planning on restoring your iPhone, make sure you've backed up the important stuff you want to keep. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.